Do not eat, drink, or chew anything before 30 minutes of providing your sample. Wash hand before collection or use hand sanitizers as a substitute. Open MedGenome Saliva Collection Kit. Remove the tube, cap, and funnel. Attach the funnel to the tube. Massage your cheek to stimulate saliva production. Think of your favorite food. Relax and let saliva collect in mouth. This can take up to 5 minutes. With head tilted forward, drool down into the funnel. Do not forcibly spit into the tube. Do not cough or collect phlegm. Fill saliva till black wavy lines, not including bubbles. Check the fill line frequently to ensure appropriate amount is there. Remove and discard the funnel. Attach the cap and twist to close to release the blue stabilizing fluid. Once blue liquid is released, shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Wipe down the tube. Place the tube into collection bag and seal the top of the bag. Send sample to MedGenome Labs. To know more, contact www.medgenome.com.